Alright guys, well I got another pack opening for you. This time it's Pokemon Ancient Origins. Let's see what we can get this time. Alright. First pack. Oh. Here. Alright. There's the so important online code. Let me go 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Let's see here. What do we got? Serpent. Centipedal. Rome Tome. Ooh, look at that cool special energy. Malamar. Goomy. Whoopter. Magikarp. Inkay. Fade Town. At any time between turns, put 2 damage counters on each Mega Evolved Pokemon. And oh, look at that full art. Wow. Look at that. That is cool. Alright, let's move on to the next pack. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying these now. I wish I wouldn't have got back into it, because man, it gets pricey. So please don't go rush out and buy any. I mean, you can always sit here and watch me open mine for free. Slinggoo. Porygon 2. Wreck. Glork. Pyron. Malamar. Oddish. And look at that reversed hollow special energy. Wow. And look, oh wow, another full art card. That is just amazing. That is cool. Yeah, man, I'm really enjoying this right now. This brings me back to when I was a little kid, having Mom drive all over town looking for these damn cards. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Energy Recycler, Level Ball, Erdios, Meowth, Cumby, and there's the Eevee, Gullet. Wow, these ones just must come with a full art in each one. Either that or I'm getting lucky. Whatever. I'll take it. But these full art ones are cool. Metagross. That's the same one I got last pack, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, right there. Got 2 of them. Oh well. That's what you get, I guess. Look at it. Here I was thinking I got something special. Same exact card. Oh well, on to the next pack. Also, I'm gonna be starting to do some sports unboxings too. Also, if you get into that, yeah, I hope this is something you guys like. You guys will have to let me know. Link, Echo Arm, Lucky Helmet, Cumby, Inkay. Oh, look at that. There's another full art one. Bell Toy. Well, that's Ace Trainer. And the rare is Red Rock. Alright, well, as always, guys, take it easy. Let me know what you think of the little pack unboxing, opening, whatever you want to call it. And just remember, if I get up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll give away some of these online codes. Yeah. Thanks.